Today, we are going to create a course in the Garmin Explore app and send it to our eTrexSE handheld. With the Explore app, you can download maps to your compatible smartphone and plan your next adventure. If your eTrexSE isn't paired to the Garmin Explore app, see our Pairing an eTrexSE to the Explore app video. With your eTrexSE paired to the Explore app, you will see that you only have a basic map available. We will show you how to download maps with additional detail. Start by selecting the map layers icon in the upper left. One of the options in the app provides the ability to have maps downloaded automatically when your compatible mobile device location services is turned on. We are selecting both cell and Wi-Fi connection to allow downloads. When both are selected, Wi-Fi will be the preferred method for downloading. Message and data rates apply. We are going to be using satellite with TOPOACTIVE. This will allow us to create a course and include a great color aerial image. Now select the plus icon followed by Create Course. A helpful tutorial will display within the app. With TOPOACTIVE selected, the Snap to Path magnet icon will be displayed. It allows for following the local streets, paths, and trails. Tap the screen to select your starting point. Tapping at any point where the road, path, or trail are will create your course. When you are done, just select Save. Here, you can save to a collection or select Go to start navigation. We will just be starting navigation by sending the course to our eTrexSE. If you'd like to learn more about collections, see our Library and Collections video. Select Go. The Explore app will begin sending the course to your device. Once the course has been received, navigation will begin on your eTrexSE. The course will default to showing the map screen. To use other tools, press and hold the back button to access the Glances menu. Here, you can select the compass tool to use instead of the map. This will make it much easier to follow the direction provided. And that's it. You can now create a course and send it to your eTrexSE. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit support.garmin.com for other helpful videos on the Explore app.